Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
No. I had a feeling. Yeah, I had this feeling today that something was going to happen. But I thought it was Royal Hawks bringing me para. I swear to God, I swear to everything that I hold dear to me, I wasn't expecting this. Listen, please let me see the people I'm talking to. If you want left, right, let them look at me. If you don't want to go, anything. I love you. No, the truth is, when I had this feeling this morning, I put it on my status. I was like, my heart is beating fast. What is about to happen today? Then, a few hours later, Royal House called. Nkechi, where are you? Because I said, anything anybody wants to do, you better do before 14, because me, I want to run away. Every year, I've been single for every year. Yeah, this is the actual year that I found real life happiness. I love you, baby.
Are you guys not happy? She said you found a love. Make some noise! Where is the baby? Where is the baby? Wow.
Sorry, I'm so sorry for putting you on the spot. But the truth is, over the years, I've always had parties where all my single friends come to party with me. Yeah, today I might have a relationship, but there's a difference between having a relationship and being happy in the relationship. A lot of married people are married today, but they're not happy in their marriage. Forget, I don't show you everything. I show you just half. If I show you the actual happiness online, can you count the fuck down, Pencil G? So as I was saying, thank you all for coming out for this. Jubi, are you not supposed to be snapping picture? You didn't mind? What's in your work, man? Anyways, to my dear friend Bakari Zainab. Okay, sorry, I don't get friend. You're mad. Change the Chris. Don't ever push your WhatsApp. Anyways, I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone present here today. Trust me, from the depth of my heart to the bottom of my soul, I really do appreciate you all for putting this together. It takes a lot. It takes someone who you all believe in that is a good person. Because to me, I never thought I'm a good person. I used to think nobody likes me. That's a fact. Over and over, Royal House keeps telling me, we love you. People love you. A lot of people love you. I'm like, okay. Now the only one why they hear every day when they sweet me, now my baby own. I shall be shut up. Tito cakes. Ha. I remember telling her, hey, I'm sure I'm going to love me. Are you not going to do birthday this year so I can start doing your birthday cake? I'm like, yeah, I told you my next birthday I would want something like a castle. But this year I do not want to have a party. I just want to go somewhere private with my baby and enjoy life. But then you pulled this through. So my single friend that is always single every year, Sabrina, but this year I told her, don't come and not doing party. Go and be with your boyfriend. Sabrina leaves her boyfriend. No, fiance. She's getting married in April, everybody. I'll invite you. Sabrina, can you come to the front, please? Thank you. So she said, Nkechi, are you not having a party this year? I'm like, no, this year you have to be with your fiance. Every year I take permission from your fiance to always be with me. Every party, she never misses it. That's so after dinner. This girl too love me. If I say I no girlfriend, no always go like Sabrina. For you are my blood. But is this Sabrina? She's my sister. Her name is Nkechi. She's my sister. She's been with me since waiting. It's been long. And this is our incoming bitch. I love you, my friend. Stand up your nice way. So moving on. I can't mention all the names here tonight, but I was shocked when I saw Idris. Idris connecting Nigeria. My own Tom. I love you so much, Idris of Lele. Idris, can I hear your voice? Say you love me too now. Oh, sugar. I'm sorry. Right, let me drink my water before I continue. I had this feeling that there was something happening today. But I thought it was going to be para from Royal Hugs as usual. I swear to God, I wasn't expecting this much crowd and an actual party setup. What are you talking about? That's why I did important. Now pay for this all, I mean I'm free. My papa began one home before he died. You think he here now? Ah, Zainab. O máa ń ṣe fún gbogbo èèyàn padà ṣe fún mi náà. Kí n bẹ́ẹ̀ lè dè tiẹ̀ yẹn náà. Ó máa ti dé à. Ó máa ti dé lórí ọ̀rọ̀. Ìgbà náà máa ṣe à. Towards ẹ̀yẹ ẹ̀dì ní bẹ́ẹ̀ díẹ̀. Okay, so my sincere appreciation to everyone sitting here today. I appreciate you all. Thank you all for coming to all the media houses as usual. You know I always give people your kudos. Thank you. But you know what be Broadway. Got that shit nice. Mo kàn rí lórí fóònù. Ha! Let no one know. But me expect them on share bye. There is an actual food. Yes, you can cook it outside with with the new. Without saying much, I'll say big thank you to my younger sister Jennifer. She's my investment. I call her my investment. Everything I have in this life is for her. And to my son Elijah, come forward, baby. And your never love me and patronize me. You know, I take every opportunity I get to advertise my business because I'm a serial entrepreneur. I don't joke with my business. If you have kids, please visit Nova Kiddies Home on Instagram, Novas_Kiddies_Empire. Buy one or two for your child. We deliver to wherever you are. Where's my son? How are you, my love? How are you? Thank you for coming. I love you. Aww. And to my in-law is here. Mr. Abdul, I see you. Thank you for coming. That's my in-law, very humble in-law. Now go there. Yaya Kike. Lafiane. Yo, wow.
Who recognize presence?
Wait. Where you best? Oh, mommy. Where you at?
It's here.
Ah, Imuleni. I love you, my brother. Oh, Oriya Konke. Oh, Nishukuda. Thank you. To everybody here, I say thank you. I might not mention all names, but trust me, I appreciate you. My leader from Lazaya Bulega, Nsuji. I love you. Any other shake, I was party mood. What's here? DJ, I see you. MC Galaxy. Celebrity hype man. You are fine. Nice one. Black and white. Nice one. Okay. You are changed.
Alright, I want everybody to get seated.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe,
Face TV was Swoby.